There are thousands of ways to invest your money. Most of them are noise. The wealthy are not using thousands of products. They are using four investments. That is the entire list. Everything else is optional. These four used correctly build retirement wealth for almost every income level in America. Ryan is 29. He has money sitting in a checking account earning almost nothing. He knows he should be investing. He does not know where to start. Complexity does not add returns. It adds fees, mistakes, and emotional decisions that kill compounding. The simpler the portfolio, the better the outcome for most investors. The order matters as much as the products. Use these in sequence, and you build the most tax-efficient wealth-generating machine available to an ordinary American. Investment 1. The employer, 401k with match. This goes first, always, before anything else. Ryan contributes 3%. His employer matches 3%. His money instantly doubles. That is a 100% guaranteed return on day one before the market does anything. Over 40 years, the employer match alone compounds to $287,000. Not from Ryan's money, from free money that was already available to him every single paycheck. Contribute exactly enough to get every employer match dollar. Then stop and go to investment 2. Do not overfund the 401k before the Roth IRA is maxed. The sequence protects your tax advantage. Ryan sets his 401k to 5% enough to capture the full company match. Step 1 is done. It took 4 minutes. Investment 2, the Roth IRA. After capturing the full employer match, this is where the next dollars go. The tax advantage here is the most powerful tool available to most American investors. Same investment, same return. In a taxable account, the IRS takes $120,000 at withdrawal. In the Roth IRA, they take nothing. The account type is worth more than most investment strategies. The 2026 Roth IRA rules. $7,500 annual limit. Income limit applies, check if you qualify. You choose what goes inside it. And every dollar withdrawn after 59.5 is completely tax-free. The Roth IRA is the account. The S&P 500 index fund is what goes inside it. The account gives you the tax advantage. The index fund gives you the return. Together, they are the most powerful combination available to most Americans. Ryan starts his Roth IRA at 29. $7,500 a year. By $65,940,000. Completely tax-free. The IRS has no claim on any of it. Ryan opens his Roth IRA in 5 minutes. He sets a $625 automatic monthly transfer payday. Step 2 is running. Investment 3. The S&P 500 Index Fund, VTI, or VOO. A single fund that owns a small piece of approximately 500 of the largest American companies. One purchase, 500 companies. When one struggles, the other 499 compensate. No research required, no timing required. Just buy and hold. 85% of professional fund managers underperform the S&P 500 index over 20 years. These are people whose entire career is picking stocks. If they cannot beat it consistently, individual investors almost never do. The expense ratio is the silent fee. VTI charges 0.03% per year. An actively managed fund charges 1%. The difference over 30 years, $131,000 in fees you kept instead of paying. VTI, or VOO. Both are correct. Historical returns nearly identical. The worst choice is spending a week deciding and not starting. Pick one. Automate it. Do not switch. The index fund is not the account. It is what goes inside the account. Buy it inside your Roth IRA first, then inside your 401k, then in a taxable brokerage if you have more to invest. Investment 4, the high yield savings account. This is not the most exciting of the four. It is the most important. Without it, the other three collapse the moment anything goes wrong. In 2026, high yield savings accounts pay 4.5 to 5%. On a $20,000 emergency fund, that is $900 to $1,000 a year sitting in cash. Your emergency fund should be earning 3 to 6 months of expenses in the high-yield savings account before aggressively funding investments 2 and 3. Ryan's target $9,000 to $18,000. This is the buffer that keeps the investing uninterrupted. Without an emergency fund, a $2,000 car repair forces Ryan to sell investments at the wrong time. With it, the investments are never touched. The emergency fund protects compound growth from real life. Ryan builds his emergency fund first, $1,000 a month. By month 12, $12,000 sits in a high-yield account, earning 4.8%. The foundation is set. The four together, one complete system. Built once, automated, runs forever. Every dollar has a specific home and a specific job. Ryan's complete allocation, $1,350 of his money, plus $225 of employer. Free money, $1,575 a month. Total invested. Every dollar assigned. Nothing unallocated. $2.2 million at retirement. From 4 ordinary investments. From 1 ordinary income. Started at 29. Nothing exotic. Nothing complicated. Crypto fine as a small addition after the 4 are funded. Individual stocks fine for exploration. Real estate legitimate and complex. All of them optional. The 4 first. Then everything else. The investor who checks daily earns less than the investor who checks annually. Daily checking leads to emotional decisions. Emotional decisions interrupt compounding. Check once a year. Rebalance once a year. When the market drops 30%, the index fund is on sale at 30% off. The correct response is to buy more if possible or do nothing if not. Selling is the only wrong answer. The system requires 1 hour of maintenance per year. 4 questions. Answered honestly. Adjustments made if needed. Then leave it alone for another 12 months. Before $0 invested. Money earning nothing. Uncertain where to start. After 4 systems automated. $1,575 a month working. Ryan did not change his income. He changed the architecture. The most common objection: I cannot afford to invest. The average American spends $219 on subscriptions, $340 dining out, $770 on a car payment. The money exists. It is flowing in the wrong direction. $100 a month. In a Roth IRA for 30 years. $117,000. $300. $352,000. The mistake is not starting small. The mistake is waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect amount. Waiting 1 year to start costs $145,000 at retirement. 1 year, not 10, not 20. 1. Every month you delay is compounding that works against you instead of for you. The complete setup takes 45 minutes. 401k contribution updated. Roth IRA opened. VTI automated inside it. High yield savings opened. All transfers set to fire on payday. Done. The complete 4 investment system. Screenshot this and set it up before this weekend. Wealth is not found. It is constructed. 4 products. Automated. Patient. Held through market downturns without emotion. That is the construction. Next video, the exact monthly paycheck system that funds these 4 investments automatically. How to allocate every dollar the moment it arrives. Subscribe to Wealth Construct. Share this with someone who is overwhelmed by investing and has done nothing yet. The 4 products take 45 minutes to set up. How many of the 4 do you currently have set up? 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Drop the number below. The most common answer might surprise you. The real math, always. I'm Professor Alex. This is Wealth Construct. Wealth Construct. The real math, always.